Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to pay your rain account using your Capitec Bank. So what we're going to do, I'm going to say rain.co.za. Okay, when I'm there, say allow me, and I say sign in. I'm going to put in the username here. Okay, that will be the username. Okay, after that you log in. It pops up this. It's gonna say, oh no, it looks like you are behind payment. You say pay. Okay, when you say payment, then you come here, you select Capitec Pay. You do that. It's gonna give you to go to ask your mobile number. You put your mobile number here, which I'm gonna take out away from this and say okay, I'm gonna take it away from that. Okay, it will say sign in to the payment. Sign in, you say in. Okay, now it tells me to go to my Capitec app. I'm gonna go there, guys. So what you do, go to your Capitec app. You see it counting for you. Okay, I'm signing in this side on my cell phone. Okay, it will, when you sign in, it's gonna say pay. So you see a button say pay and also decline. So you select pay. Okay, it might ask you for your fingerprint. You put it in. Now on the fourth, then it said you have successfully what? Paid. So I've paid. Yes, and now it sent me the message here, of which everything is fine. You're gonna see when I go back to try to sign in, it's not going to show me any problems of whatever. You can see now it went out, so I've paid invoice. There's no money in areas. When I restart or refresh here, you can see it's just showing error, but I've paid already. So you can see that. Let me log out. When you log in, hello, yes, I'm ready to log out. When you log in, it's not going to show you that pop-up which said, oops, it seems like you're owing and all that. Okay, oh no. Okay, wow, you can see it doesn't show that. So I'm gonna say I'm trying to pay for my client. If you say my rain, you can see it's the rain for sim 1, the one for, remember that discontinued what package. So also I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get you, I think, the message they sent me into saving account reference number. Okay, Capitec payment 300 and whatever. Okay, let me leave this. I want to copy one. I'm gonna copy one message and bring it to you guys. You'll see it, how it look like. Okay, I'm paying it for one of my clients. Okay, I wanna move this side. I get a WhatsApp. I gonna send a WhatsApp to myself message, then I'm gonna give it to you guys. You're gonna see it, how it looks like. Okay, I got the message. Let me see. Word. I got the message to confirm that I have paid. So I send it on WhatsApp, then I'm gonna show it on the screen, guys. But you can see there's no owing anymore, no pop-up, no whatever. This card says, let's see. Okay, here's the message. It comes, you can see. Yeah, so you can see it says Capitec payment minus 319 from savings account, reference number, then rain is the reference number, rain available balance is 10 rand. Today is the 4th of what they call 4th of October 2023. So that's why you can see that message. So I hope that helps, guys. So you can pay your rent using your Capitec app. That's the way you do it. You just log in, then then it gives you the app on the, you sign to the app. As I've said, you log in, you say pay, then you select Capitec, then you put in your cell phone number, then it will allow you to go, it will tell you to go to log into your app. When you log into your app, you're gonna find some notification telling you to pay or decline. That's what you do. You do pay. You do pay. I'm sorry about that. You see, it was that's it, guys. Sorry about that. Anyway, so you can manage here. Also, what I forgot to say, you can change when you pay. So the date of payment, you can change it. Let me see, manage this. Manage this. Remember, this 320 allows you, oh no, puts address, allow this. So what does this do? It allows you to do what? Before it used to, you see, November 1st. So you can go to billing. Also, there's a way you can go and tell, if you want to cancel, you can cancel here. But I'm saying also there's a way you can go and change the date. So this date is the 1st. You can put in maybe on the 5th or whatever date you want. They will allow you to do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.